Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Alibaba Cloud Resource Management easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Alibaba Cloud Management console. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to the Resource Management section. Select the resource type you need to manage. Review the available resources listed on the page. Identify the resource that requires fixing. Click on the resource name to open its details. Check the current status of the resource. Look for any alerts or warnings displayed in the details. If a configuration error is indicated, take note of the specific issue. Navigate to the relevant configuration settings. Make necessary adjustments based on the identified issues. For permissions-related issues, review the access policies. Ensure that appropriate permissions are granted for the resource. After adjustments, save the changes. Return to the resource details page. Monitor the status to confirm the issue has been resolved. If the problem persists, consult the Alibaba Cloud documentation for troubleshooting. Consider reaching out to Alibaba Cloud support for further assistance. Document any changes made for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.